up, guys? Today I will be trying this chocolate. It's a bliss nougat and caramel chocolate bar. It looks so delicious. Let's try it. My first time ever eating this chocolate. I never ate it in my entire life. Look at this. How it looks inside. So good. Let's start. Eat this one bit. So good. Good caramel. Mm. It's almost I cannot there will be wait, let me just Google. They don't say like what is in it, but this chocolate is so good. I will be enjoying the chocolate. Bye. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.